everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. If you are new, then a very special welcome to you, and if you are returning, then thank you very much for sticking around. Today I'm doing a brand new video for the Flower Beauty products. I haven't used them. I have been very excited to try them on actually, and yeah, I just want to know what they're all about. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so I do have about 5 products from their line. I was hoping to do a full face, but unfortunately they haven't released all of the products to the UK, which is why it's a bit of a bummer. But anyway, I thought I would try at least one from each kind of product they have. So I have 5. So I've got a primer, I've got their foundation, I've got their concealer, their contour kit, so it's like a highlight, blush and bronzer, yeah, and contour, and I also got a lipstick. Now they do have different lipsticks. They've got like a normal lipstick, but I wanted to try the Mix and Matte Lip Duo. I want to try this because it had really good reviews, and since it's nice and autumn here, I wanted to get a nice colour, so I got like a really deep purpley colour. So I'm really excited. Can you tell? I'm going to zoom you in and then we'll get started. Okay, we are zoomed in, hair is back, face is ready. So we'll start off with the primer. So the primer is what it's called. It's called the Flower In Your Prime Hydrating Primer. It is a plasticky bottle, but I really like the gold accents. Can you see the rose gold accents it has? It's really nice. They do have a few other primers actually, but I wanted to get this one because again this had really good reviews, and also it's, you know, it's autumn, so I wanna be nice and hydrated. Doesn't really have a scent to it, but let's see what it looks like on the hand. Oh, so it's very, doesn't smell of much. I've only got my SPF and my daily moisturizer on, so this actually is really nice on the skin. It's almost like a really thick cream, but it's really sinking into my skin, which is nice. Okay, so the primer is done, and I have to say my skin feels really moisturized, really plump and prepped. So yeah, I really like this. So far so good. It is slightly tacky, but I think they need to be slightly tacky, don't they, to be able to adhere to the foundation. Now this is a lovely foundation. Look how beautiful that bottle is. I mean, absolutely amazing. So this is the Light Illusion foundation. It's got luminous makeup, nude skin feel, all day, God, I can't speak today. All day wear, broad spectrum SPF 18 sunscreen. You have 30 ml, which is I think quite a good size. It is a glass bottle, it's not plastic, and it comes with a pump. So the colour I have is Nude L3. This is very annoying because the colour that they have written is right down here. It's here, literally, and because of the reflection of the glass and the foundation inside, you can't actually see it properly, so it's a bit annoying. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to again split my face in half side with fingers and then half side with my beauty blender. So let's see what this looks like. There you go. Okay, so it's fairly thick actually. I'm hoping it's a good match because I think I forgot to mention that Flower Beauty is not available in stores. It's only available online, and that too only through Superdrug. So the reason I was really excited is because not only did I have to buy it online and guess by the online swatches what colour I was, I couldn't actually go and test it out. It was, yeah, and then I also had to wait for it to be delivered, which in my opinion is not fun. I'm not really sure how much coverage this gives, whether it's a good idea using my fingers or not, I don't know. But oh, it's very thick, I'll say that much. So this is the side I use my fingers with, and this is the blender side, and obviously there is a very big difference because with my side I use my fingers, it has definitely more coverage, but I think that's always the case with basically all of the products we use, because the sponge does obviously absorb some of the product as you apply it. So just want to make sure that the application on both sides is slightly the same, if not exactly the same, but just similar. Anyway, moving on. Next we will go in with concealer. Now I have done some colour correction like I always do. I just used my YSL Touche Eclair on my under eyes, and now we will go ahead with the concealer. Now the concealer, again, I didn't know which colour I was, so this was very difficult. The colour I eventually got then is L12 Fair. This is a light illusion full coverage concealer, weightless feel, crease proof. It has a softly angled tip for precise application. So on the back it says introducing light illusion full coverage concealer. Okay, let's see. Again, so this is what it looks like. This is not made of glass, it is of plastic, but I have to give it to the Flower Beauty team. They do have really lovely packaging. So this is what the applicator looks like. Again, nothing very hyped up. It does have a doe-foot applicator, but it's slightly angled, which I think I like, kind of. We'll see what the colour is like. I think the colour I got might be slightly too greyish for me, because it's quite light and it is very full coverage, I'll say that much. And it's drying out quite quickly, so you would want to work with this rather quickly. It has given me quite a lot of coverage, but I will say the colour match is, the colour is not very nice. It's a very greyish light colour. I'm not really sure who this would suit. Maybe someone who's paler than I am, but I really don't know. I mean, like, my foundation is very yellow, but then my concealer is very whitish. Now I will see how this wears, but maybe we can fix it by some powder or anything. So right, so I'm just going to set my face with this powder from number 7, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've just set my whole face with my powder. Next we will go on to this palette. So this is their Flower Lift and Sculpt Contouring Palette. It's very odd because it opens like this, but if you want to read it, you have to turn it around like this. What's that all about? Anyway, so this is the contour palette. It's long lasting, buildable and blendable, flawless finish. The colour I have is light to medium. It has a contour, blush and highlight shade. Okay, so I really like this palette. I really do. The blush is very highly pigmented. I mean, look at the highlight. Goodness gracious. This is just, oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so I'm back with the rest of my makeup. I'm really liking this foundation actually. I really, really like it. And this highlight, I mean, oh my god. Anyway, so I've done my lip liner. I've used the Rimmel lip liner in nude, I think. Now I want to try the lipstick. So the packaging says it's the Mix and Matte Lip Duo. It has 2 finishes in Finite Looks. It has 2 finishes and Infinite Looks. It has a high coverage matte colour and then a matching pearlized gloss. Okay, so this top portion, again, beautiful packaging, is the lipstick. So let's swatch that for you. Oh wow. Okay, again, in real life this is right up completely purple. On camera it looks pink. I don't know why, that always happens. And then if you twist it open, then you get this gloss, which is like a pearly gloss. It's very soft. Can you see? Oh my god. Okay, again, on the camera it looks very different. In real life, again, it's straight up purple. It is as purple as can be. It's very soft and has a really light scent to it. Not a sickly scent, but a nice scent. So again, on camera it looks really bright and vibrant and pink, almost like an indigo colour, but in real life it's actually a very dark purple. I will try to put a picture here somewhere just to show you what it actually looks like in real life. Maybe, you know, take a picture of some on the camera. And this one is on its own is really nice, but I do want to check the gloss as well, just to see what it looks like. That's really comfortable. I mean, it's so lightweight, I can hardly feel it, and the gloss has given the lipstick. Basically, before trying on the gloss, I was actually scared that it would make the lipstick slip like normal glosses, but this one is it's like a creamy gloss. It's like a balmy gloss, so it doesn't really slip. I really like this. And this is the final outcome. I absolutely love this. I mean, the concealer, now that I look at it after I've set it, I think it's okay. It's still wearable. The foundation is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I am loving both sides, hands or the sponge. I will say though, I think I used too much, to be honest. I should have kept a slightly light hand, but I didn't. It is absolutely buildable. You can get like a, I wouldn't say a full, but you can definitely get like a highest end medium coverage with this. It's really light on the skin. I can't feel it. It has an amazing finish. Again, the contour and the blush is amazing. It's really good. You can't go wrong for the amount that they're charging. It's not a lot, and it's a really nice palette. And the highlighter, goodness gracious, you can see that from space. It is absolutely amazing. I really like this. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me, checking these new products out, and yeah, looking at these new products with me. I really hope you guys like this video. Please give this a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, because you know it's free, doesn't cost you a dime. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.